Actually, I don't want to be angry at stress at Teacher Evelyn, because I am telling her not to support Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu. Because I know I was getting mad eh. I criticized Teacher Evelyn Kaka. Why you support Bongbong Marcos? He's a drug addict. Oh. However, like I said before, Teacher May was supportive of Duterte. She's not pro Marcos. Aside of Teacher May, you remember Mang Manny? Mang Manny, that the guy, I saw him outside and he's giving him money. I know Mang Manny, right? Mang Manny, that was close with Ate Lot. He's also Iglesia ni Cristo. He supports for Duterte. As for me, guys, I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada. All right, let's move on about politics. Paulo Cruzada, I'm not here to pick you a fight for what you did to Teacher Marville. Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, stop being yourselves a bullies. Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, and including Teacher Gina Asedio and Jeffrey Asedio, and including Wawel Romero, to all of you, please stop bashing against Duterte supporters. They have their own opinion. Even you, Jordan Bunagan. Don't you know, like I said before, people there, they love Duterte. People there, like I said, they have their own opinion. For example, Ma'am Teacher Kel is not voting Bongbong Marcos way back 2022. She voted Leni Robredo. What if Ma'am Teacher Kel voted Sara Duterte? In 2028. Even Teacher Vincent Ramos, he will vote Sara Duterte. What will be happen? People there, they love Sara. Like I said before, that Bongbong Marcos is a spoiled brat. I am saying to all of you, to those BBM supporters, to that pathetic blogger, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, Romeo TV Vlogs, everyone, don't support to Bongbong Marcos. And even to those 5 idiots, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, including Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher Alex, including Wawel Romero, and especially Jordan Bunagan. Please, all of you, don't such all of you are being dumb. Like I said before, I said to all of you that Bongbong Marcos is a spoiled brat. Just like I said before, Benjamin Netanyahu is a spoiled brat and he's a killer. Bongbong Marcos, spoiled brat, a tax evader. Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. is a killer. Isaac Herzog is a killer. Like I said to all of you, whenever I said they are killer, bangag, and drug addict, I say to them, when I talk to Ate Isa, that Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu, they are bangag and drug addict. Just like I said, even Isaac Herzog and Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., they are killers. Oh, just like I said, I criticize the Bagong Pilipinas, I criticize Likuds, they are corrupt. Oh, just like I said, I stand with the PDP Laban. I stand with the Israeli Arab political parties. Oh, I don't care about the Likuds. I don't care about Bagong Pilipinas. They are corrupt. Just like I said before. Oh, one more thing. If I say to all of you, Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Teacher Alexandria Pagkalinawan, and Wawel Romero, if all of you support Bongbong Marcos, Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., Isaac Herzog, and Benjamin Netanyahu, I will shoot all of you with a pellet gun. Even those CDIFI teachers and staff who support Isaac Herzog and Benjamin Netanyahu and Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., I'll shoot all of you a pellet gun. Remember that, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo. I'll shoot all of you with a pellet gun into your eyes.